How to remove alternate Face ID on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode over here. You will then be brought to the Face ID and Passcode settings page. Over here, you can manage apps using Face ID and other iPhone access settings, set up alternative appearances and change your passcode. If you want to turn off Face ID, then scroll down and tap on Reset Face ID as shown. And then, follow the instructions to set up a new Face ID on your phone if you want. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily remove alternate Face ID on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.